Alright, I'm just outside of Orem here. I'm on my way to Salt Lake to near the airport. I'm going to take my Part 107 exam, which is the FAA's exam for unmanned remote pilots. So that means drones, etc. I really want to use it commercially, both for YouTube, and also I'm going to do commercial real estate photography and use it for a photo business. And there might be some other opportunities. So this is a huge opportunity for me. Hopefully I'll be successful. And I've prepared for the test by looking up various online resources as well as YouTube videos. And I also downloaded an app with some practice tests called Prepware on my Note phone, and I used those to study for the test. So wish me luck. Hopefully I'm successful, and we'll let you know the results here in a little bit. Goodbye for now. Alright, so I just got done taking my Part 107 test, and I am so excited because I did end up passing with an 80% score. So now I just got to register for my license, and I'll be an official unmanned aircraft pilot, and I'll start getting to work on my business ventures. And I am not driving right now because it is snowing like crazy all of a sudden. So just wanted to do this quick update and let you guys know, and I'm gonna get a move on home. Catch you later. Alright, so as I said before, I've passed the test for the unmanned air pilot, and my final thoughts are that a lot of the online YouTube and website stuff that's out there is really good, and it actually got me through this test. I will say that if you just want to secure your money and not have to take it a test again, I would maybe consider one of the classes that are offered that you pay for, because they're obviously going to do a little more to really teach you. And also I'm thinking of maybe taking some of those classes like Remote Pilot 101 to further study and get ready for future tests, and also just to make sure that I've got everything the way I need it when I actually look at charts and I'm trying to go to inspect things or do whatever jobs I'm going to do. It's always good to make sure that you really understand what you're getting into at all times. So I'll probably do a little bit more learning as I go along. But as far as the test purposes, if you really take your time, I took the full 2 hours to take that test. I marked the questions as they said that I wasn't sure of, and I went back through those first, and I went back through them and I started really looking at the chart and everything to get some more information on it and to make sure that I was getting those right. And I just kept going through and eliminating those, and then I went through the test as a whole, and that got me an 80%, which I'm pretty happy with. I don't have to retake the test, and I can move forward with my business using my drone. So anyway, that's my full day taking the test for the remote pilot for the FAA. We'll catch you later.